Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows update fails to install on your Windows 10 computer. So this update aimed to resolve several problems that arose from previous updates, including VPN connections failures and domain controller issues. And common causes of this error including insufficient disk space, corrupted system files, and conflicts with other installed software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. And all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And here at troubleshoots under at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side then you can see here this run and then click, and pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and this is the result that problems found for Windows Update issues. Alright, so if this issues is already resolved, and then you need to click this yes, but if not, and then click no. And also you need to follow the screen instructions to fix these issues. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. Alright, so once we're done here at Windows Update Troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair file corruptions. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then you need to type and enter this command keyword sfc space /scannow. So /scannow, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And we will wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just copy this command keyword, DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /Restorehealth. So use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command. And then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here, we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. So after completing these two commands, and then we need to close this cmd, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix KB5037768 update fails to install in Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.